Selling a home as is. This is typically what happens during a home sale, as the seller usually isn't open to making renovations or fixes that a buyer perhaps might see in a home inspection. For example, if they inspect, for example, this property for sale, they see something wrong with, perhaps the floor. Maybe there's some nooks or some nicks that they want repaired. Well, most sellers are going to tell you that it's sold as is, either explicitly perhaps in the listing description or during negotiations. Again, most sellers don't want to delay the sale. If something serious comes up perhaps during a home inspection, they may uh, instead offer you a monetary credit usually. Again, it depends on the negotiability of the situation, what position you are in. If the seller has a lot of other potential buyers, they may just tell you to take a hike. Now, with that said, some sellers may also be unrealistic because buyers are not going to accept the property with a title that is clouded. For example, title that has a lien on it or a judgment on it. All contracts usually state that title must be delivered free and clear. So that is something to consider. But just physical defects and such, it usually is sold as is, and buyers may negotiate, but it depends on the position you are in. We hope you found this helpful. My name is Chris at Hauseit. Check us out, hauseit.com, to learn more about how you can save money when you buy or sell property in New York or Florida with a Hauseit buyer closing credit when you purchase, 2% back or more. When you sell, 6% when you sell, save all 6% with a Hauseit agent assisted FSB.